Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the second lecture on personal identity. And in this lecture, we'll try to learn what are the parameters for age determination, why it is necessary, and what are its medico-legal importance. So, age determination sometimes is a very necessary parameter in identity. So, we have to understand it. The age of a person is to be determined for his civil rights and criminal responsibility. So this is very important regarding the rights of the person and criminal responsibility when you have to fix the responsibility of a crime. And the punishment, when will be awarded, it depends upon the age of the person. So now first we'll talk about the medico-legal importance of the age, which is also called as ages of medico-legal importance. Starting from the intrauterine life, the first age which is medico-legally important is the pre-embryonic state. From first to third week, pre-embryonic state, then the embryonic state from fourth to eighth week. Then the period of organogenesis from 8th week to 12th week. So these ages are important because in cases of abortion, according to Qisas and Diyat ordinance, the punishment is awarded according to the age of the fetus in intrauterine life. Then quickening, that is from 14th to 18th week, and age of viability. This is the 28th week of intrauterine life, and at this stage, the center for the talus appears, and this is the age of viability. And the full term, which are 10 lunar months, which is roughly approximate to 36 plus minus weeks of the intrauterine life. Now, according to Qisas and Diyat law, if the abortion has been awarded or given before embryonic stage, it is called as iskate hamal. And abortion after the age of organogenesis is called iskate janeen. So these two sections, according to Qisas and Diyat, and depending upon the embryonic age, have different punishments. And infanticide is declared when the age of the fetus intrauterine is 7th month. That is the age of viability. When the center of talus appears at the talus, in the talus bone. Now we talk about the extrauterine ages. Neonate is called from birthday to 4th week, and infant from 4th week to 1 year, and toddler from 1 year to 3 years, and a child from 1 year to 12 years. Then school going age is from 4 to 5 years. And adolescent is called 12 to 16 years. Now, when we talk about the ages in reference to the criminal responsibility, innocent. A child under the age of 7 years is presumed to be innocent, and no criminal responsibility can be fixed below age of 7. Then the age of presumption of innocence, and this is between the age of 7 and 12 years, but the law will try to know that if the child is mature enough and physically empowered enough and his mental capacity is able to understand the consequences of the act, then it is presumed that is should be innocent. But if he is mature physically and mentally to understand the nature of the act, then he is not innocent, and the punishment will be awarded, but it will be lesser punishment. Now, the role of consent in any treatment, any legal matters. So the minor is declared when the age is below 10 years, and his consent below 10, 12 years, the consent will be invalid. Whereas the major or adult is in male, it is 18 years, and in female is 16 years. So for minors, for medical treatment or operation, the consent will be granted by the legal heirs, the parents or the guardians. Whereas the major or the adults, they himself, if male is above 18 and female is above 16, can give permission, they give the consent for the treatment. Under the 15th year, no permission in factory. So this is the Workman Act, that below the age of 15, there is no permission to work in factory. And under the age of 17, no permission to work in mines. So these are two important uh, ages in reference to the work in factory and work in mine. Then, if we have to fix the age of kidnapping upon someone, then the male should be under the age of 14 and female under the 16. And if someone abducts these individuals under these ages, the allegation of kidnapping will be awarded. Then, regarding zina mil jabar, there are other conditions, but under the 16 years of female, if someone perform the sexual assault, then it is zina bil jabar. Then, to have court marriage, the male should be above 21 years and female above 18 years. And foreign girl import, that means sometimes the people import the girls for their as maids, as servants, as nannies. So the age of girl import from other countries is above 21 years. Then abduction, male at 18 years and female 16 years, then the allegation of abduction is put forward. Now, when we talk about the civil rights of the person, these were the criminal responsibility I was talking about. Now, the civil rights. The major above 18 and male above 18 and female above 16. For claiming of any civil rights, these are the ages for civil rights. To join the government service from 18 to 25 years, to join a health service from 18 to 35. As you know, the doctors, they after FSC, they 12th grade, they join the medical college, and when they graduate, their age is 25, 26 years. So that's why there is a relaxation in the health service, that the age to join health services 18 to 35 years. Retirement age is 60, but now it has been increased by the government up to 65. Then for senior post appointment, the age should be 25 years. Then for CNSI or the National Identity Card, it is 18 years. And making a passport, there is no minimum age. Even the newborn can have a machine readable card, but there are certain requirements for that. For driving license, the light vehicle should be 18 years and heavy vehicle, it should be 21 years. Then candidate for elections in MNA as MNA or MPA, it is 25 years. And for President of Pakistan, it should be minimum 40 years. To make a valid consent for any procedure or any property exchange or a property sale, the male should be 18 years and female 16 years. For marriage, the male should be 18 years and female 16 years. So thank you very much. This was all about the ages of criminal responsibility or ages of medical legal importance for civil rights. Thank you so much.